guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about glycolic acid in detail, and I'm also going to be sharing with you an ideal dermat recommended skincare routine for oily skin and for acne prone skin. Before I begin with the routine, I just want to talk about glycolic acid first. So glycolic acid is basically an AHA, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, and it is the most amazing ingredient for oily skin and for acne prone skin. It has a number of benefits for oily and acne prone skin types. Now I have oily and acne prone skin, and the glycolic acid that I've been using is by Dermat. This is their 7% glycolic acid toner. Glycolic acid has 4 major benefits for the skin. The first one is to brighten up your skin, and it does that by exfoliating the topmost layer of dull skin and by revealing the fresher new layer of skin underneath. The second benefit of using glycolic acid is to regulate oil production. Now I have oily skin and my skin remains oily throughout the day. It produces so much oil, so much sebum throughout the day, and sometimes what happens is that the sebum kind of clogs my pores and causes acne, other breakouts, blackheads and whatnot. So glycolic acid helps to deeply penetrate into your pores and to remove excessive sebum, and it also helps to retain moisture on your skin. So the oiliness and the dryness of your skin is sort of balanced out with glycolic acid. The third benefit of glycolic acid is to do with pores. So it helps to minimize the appearance of your pores. It helps to reduce the size of your pores, and how it basically does that is that glycolic acid penetrates deep into your pores and it helps to clean your pores, thereby removing excessive sebum, dirt, acne causing bacteria and any other grime, makeup, whatever is stuck inside your pores, and it cleans your pores really well. So when all of these things are stuck inside your pores appear larger, but once your pores are completely clean, they return back to the normal size and the appearance of your pores is minimized. Also, when the oil production on your skin is controlled, your pores automatically become less visible and less large. And the fourth benefit of glycolic acid is to reduce discoloration on your skin. So if you have dark spots, acne marks, other pigmented patches on your skin, if you have sun damaged skin like sun tanning, if you have any kind of signs of aging like fine lines or wrinkles or anything of that sort, glycolic acid helps to lighten all of that, reduce all of that and fade it away gradually. I'm going to tell you how it does that. So glycolic acid is the fastest ingredient in exfoliating your skin. Your skin has 7 most important layers. So suppose this is the topmost layer of your skin, which is the layer that you can see from out, and then there are 6 other layers beneath it. So suppose you get a pimple on here, and once the pimple goes away and it leaves a mark on your skin, the mark is most visible on the topmost layer of your skin, and when you keep getting lower and lower to the other layers of your skin, the acne mark keeps on reducing, keeps on getting lighter and lighter, and eventually it fades away completely. So when you apply glycolic acid on the topmost layer of your skin, it exfoliates the topmost layer of your skin and the fresher second layer of your skin is revealed, where the acne mark is lighter than the topmost layer. Again, when you apply glycolic acid on the second layer, that is exfoliated and the third layer of your skin is revealed, where the acne mark is lighter than the first and the second layer, and the acne mark keeps getting lighter and lighter as in when you keep applying glycolic acid to exfoliate your skin. So your acne marks, your dark spots, pigmentation, signs of aging, everything is reduced with the help of glycolic acid because of its fast exfoliating properties. And while glycolic acid helps to exfoliate your skin so fast, it also helps in promoting new cell regeneration. So it produces new skin cells and new skin layers as fast as it exfoliates the old ones. So the process of skin exfoliation and cell regeneration is sort of balanced out. These are the amazing benefits that glycolic acid has on oily skin and on acne prone skin. Now moving on to the side effects of using glycolic acid, the major side effects are swelling, itchiness and burning sensation on your skin. These are some common side effects that people experience if they have dry skin or sensitive skin. So I do recommend that while using any new product or especially products that contain active ingredients, you should do a patch test at the back of your ear or at the back of your neck to check if the product suits your skin or not. However, while using this Dermat 7% glycolic acid toner, I didn't really experience any side effects, and I think it's because of the blend of the ingredients in this product. So along with glycolic acid, this also contains witch hazel and rosemary. Witch hazel is an amazing ingredient for sensitive skin and for acne prone skin. It helps to reduce inflammation, it helps to repair broken skin, it helps to reduce swelling and redness and all of that. It's a very calming and soothing ingredient, and it also helps to tighten your pores. So it's amazing for oily skin, for acne prone skin, for sensitive skin. Then again, since this contains rosemary helps to kill acne causing bacteria. It helps to prevent and to reduce your current acne. So it's an amazing ingredient for acne prone skin again. So I think it's because of the blend of all of these ingredients that it is so suitable for acne prone skin and for sensitive skin. Moving on to the third question, that is how to use a glycolic acid product. Well, glycolic acid could be present in a number of skincare products like a face wash or a toner or any other product. Suppose you have glycolic acid in a face wash, so you can use that particular face wash pretty much every single day. It is safe to use a glycolic acid face wash every day. If you have it in the form of a toner like I do, then you want to use glycolic acid maybe every alternate days or maybe just thrice a week. You don't want to use it every single day because it's a very powerful, it's a very strong ingredient that helps to exfoliate your skin, and too much exfoliation is never good. The fourth question is who should be using glycolic acid. So if you have oily skin and if your skin produces a lot of oil, or if you have large open pores, if you have the problem of acne, or if you have lots of signs of aging, or if you have a lot of discoloration on your face, then glycolic acid is an ingredient that you can incorporate in your skincare regime. However, if you have dry skin, then you should be staying away from it because it exfoliates your skin and that can be harsh for your skin. So make sure that you don't use it on excessively dry skin. The fifth and the sixth question is what to mix glycolic acid with and what you should not be mixing glycolic acid with. So you can pretty much mix glycolic acid with all ingredients except for vitamin C and retinol. These are two ingredients that you should avoid while using glycolic acid. You can use these ingredients maybe in the morning and then use glycolic acid at night, or you can use them on different days, but make sure not to use all these ingredients together because that can have certain side effects. So that was all about glycolic acid. Now finally moving on to the Dermat recommended skincare routine for oily skin and for acne prone skin. Well, the first step is ideally to cleanse your skin. I have this Dermat the creamy cleanser with me. This is amazing for sensitive skin and for acne prone skin as well, and it cleanses your skin and hydrates it at the same time. It doesn't contain any fragrance or any soap, which makes it so ideal for sensitive skin. This face wash is so creamy and it is so gentle. It doesn't dry out your skin, it's not harsh at all, and it doesn't rip off the natural oils of your skin, which is the best part. Because I have seen people with oily skin using very strong and harsh face washes that rip off all of the oils of their face, and that is actually wrong because if you rip off all the natural oils, then your skin is going to produce even more oils. So it's always better to use gentle products on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin. And by using a creamy face wash like this, it's only going to remove the excessive oils and the excessive sebum of your skin and not rip off the natural oils of your skin. So it's going to be really gentle for you. After the cleanser comes the toning part, and for that I recommend this Dermat 7% glycolic acid toner. As I mentioned, the blend of all of the ingredients in this is extremely suitable for acne prone skin and for oily skin people as well. And you want to pour a little bit of the toner on a cotton pad and just rub the cotton pad all over your face or just pat it on your skin, especially in the areas where you have acne or large open pores or any kind of discoloration. The glycolic acid in this toner is going to help to exfoliate the topmost layer of dead skin of your face. It's going to help to cleanse your pores deeply, and it's going to help to remove all of the acne causing bacteria from your skin. And the third and the last step in this oily and acne prone skincare routine is to use an oil free moisturizer. The one that I recommend is by Dermat. It's their squalene and zinc oil free moisturizer. Squalene helps to boost hydration on your skin, thereby making your skin very supple and healthy. and zinc helps to repair any kind of skin damage. It also helps to deal with sun damage, and it helps to protect your skin against sun damage. Also, zinc has anti-inflammatory properties, so if you have like red acne and if the acne is too painful or something like that, zinc helps to soothe it and it helps to calm it down. So zinc is an amazing ingredient for acne prone skin. The texture of this moisturizer is like a gel in water form. It is very lightweight, it gets absorbed into your skin in no time, like just within seconds. And due to the consistency and the texture, it's not something that's going to clog your pores, it's not something that's going to lead to acne or anything like that. It is extremely suitable for acne prone skin, for oily skin and for sensitive skin. That was my ideal skincare routine for oily skin and for acne prone skin. And in case if you want to buy any of these products, they're all available on Dermaco's website, where if you use my coupon code, that is RIA20, you can achieve a 20% off. All Dermaco products are safe to use. All Dermaco products are safe to use. They are effective, they get the job done, and they are created, tested and recommended by dermats. Also, the best part is that Dermaco discloses the percentage of actives that they put in their products. For example, this is 7% glycolic acid. This way I just know like what I'm putting on my face and how much I should be using. This is not the case with other brands generally, because most of the brands out there don't really mention the right amount of actives that they put in their products, but Dermaco always discloses it. So if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, and most of the products in the market kind of don't work out for your skin and they cause side effects like acne and other breakouts, or they don't really help in solving your skin concerns, then you should definitely check out Dermaco products. They are very effective. I literally cleared up all of my acne issues with the help of Dermaco products, and I'm still using their other products for my other skin concerns. I have also experienced good results with my open pores because of Dermaco products, so I highly recommend you check out Dermaco products and start using them to solve your skin problems. It's always better to have good skin, it's always better to invest into good skincare products and to work on your skin rather than hiding your skin problems behind filters, behind makeup. You should always love the skin that you're born with, and you should always try to make your skin better by using the right products, by following the right diet, by working out and by improving your lifestyle. There are a lot of things that matter when it comes to good skin, and once you reach the age of 20 or 25, it's the right time to start taking care of your skin. So make sure that you're using the right products for your skin type, for your skin problems, and using dermat recommended products is the safest option. So yes, that was my video on an ideal skincare routine for oily skin and for acne prone skin, and that was all the information that I could research on glycolic acid. I do have a lot of other videos on other actives as well. Make sure you check them in the description box below. And yeah, if you want me to make more videos on other actives as well, then do let me know in the comments below, and I shall definitely do my research and make more videos for you guys. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram handle and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.